A recent recording has become evidence of why the Russian Special Forces unit Rubicon is nicknamed Voldemort. Its presence always haunts, leaving silent destruction, traces of operations that are never discussed by the upper echelons of the Ukrainian government and command. There was even a chilling fact. In just 1 week, Rubicon managed to locate the graves of 70% of Ukraine's most skilled drone pilot operators. One piece of evidence of its latest operation surfaced on Telegram on November 15th. Keep your eyes on the story. Behind a recently surfaced objective control recording on Telegram lies the purpose of the Rubicon unit. At that time, the mission of Rubicon was vital: to cut off Ukraine's supply lifeline near Pokrovsk, Myrnohrad, a mission that would cripple the enemy from within. Operators from the Rubicon Center, supported by unmanned system units from the Central Forces Group, with deadly precision maintained fire control over one of the Ukrainian Armed Forces supply routes in the Krasnoarmysk-Dimitrov-Rodinskoye triangle. The result was unimaginable destruction. 50 NATO and Ukrainian vehicles burned to ashes, silently witnessing the superiority of Russian technology and tactics. The recording does more than show destruction. It reveals a long list of casualties. Burned-out armored vehicles included American MaxxPros and Stryker, Humvees, M113 armored personnel carriers, Canadian Senator armored combat vehicles, Turkish Kirpis APC, British Snatch armored cars, Swedish BVS-10 all-terrain armored vehicles, Polish Oncillas armored personnel carriers, and various Ukrainian-made armored combat vehicles, including Novator and Kozak APC. This is not just a victory, it is a demonstration of extraordinary power, a decisive blow that has left Western military ranks stunned. The Rubicon drone unit of Russia has indeed become a nightmare for Ukraine. This secret elite force, with unmatched tactics and advanced technology, has proven to be a devastating threat. A report from Radio Free Europe Radio Liberty revealed the existence of this mysterious unit, noting how their precision strikes have been a key factor in forcing Ukrainian forces to retreat, including from the Kursk Oblast. According to one analyst, they are Russia's best technology unit, and, indeed, they are reshaping the competitive landscape in unexpected ways. Rubicon's strategy is a symphony of lethal efficiency. They operate in small, agile teams of 5 to 10 operators, each a master in every aspect of drone warfare. From deadly FPV attack drones and stealthy thermal surveillance to advanced electronic warfare capable of crippling the enemy, their impact in the Kursk region is tangible evidence of their extraordinary capabilities. After a sudden Ukrainian offensive in August 2024, Rubicon was tasked with cutting off their supply routes. With ruthless efficiency, they employed a combination of reconnaissance and attack drones to hunt down and destroy Ukrainian logistics. By March 2025, the pressure they exerted was so intense that Ukrainian forces were forced to retreat, a strategically costly setback. Rubicon's arsenal is a lethal fusion of advanced technology and brilliant adaptation. They use FPV drones equipped with thermal cameras for night attacks, turning darkness into their ally. Their fiber-optic guided drones are resistant to jamming, ensuring that every strike reaches its target. Various other unmanned systems are deployed for close-range reconnaissance, giving them eyes on every corner of the battlefield. Yet their true specialty is electronic warfare. They are experts at tracking Ukrainian drone signals to their source, allowing them to target and eliminate operators, even when they are far behind the front lines. This tactic is devastating, not only destroying equipment, but also eliminating the most valuable asset: skilled operators. It is estimated that up to 70% of Ukrainian drone pilots were neutralized this way, a loss of incalculable magnitude. The agility of Russian FPV drones is key to their effectiveness, especially in hunting Ukrainian and NATO armored vehicles. These drones, controlled with precision akin to a fighter jet pilot, can perform extreme maneuvers, slip between trees, navigate building gaps, and strike vulnerable points on armored vehicles. With cameras providing a first-person view, operators can see targets as if they were inside the drone themselves, allowing them to direct it straight to the engine, ventilation openings, or other unprotected areas on the armored vehicle. The speed and maneuverability of FPVs make them difficult to stop with short-range air defense systems, and even if detected, the reaction time needed to shoot them down is often too short. Interestingly, Russia has now taken a new step in its military strategy by introducing long-range unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with anti-jamming systems and controlled via fiber-optic cables. This innovation is designed to more effectively threaten Ukraine's logistical routes. Mikhailo Fedorov, Ukraine's first deputy prime minister and minister of digital transformation, revealed that these drones can operate at distances of up to 50 kilometers. This range marks a significant breakthrough, as it surpasses that of most fiber-optic drones previously known on the battlefield. The challenges faced by NATO armored vehicles on the front lines in Ukraine are very real. Western armored vehicle designs, though advanced, often focus on protection against direct projectiles or mine explosions. However, they are less prepared for FPV drone attacks, which can strike from above or from the side, targeting more vulnerable areas. Additionally, the weight and size of these vehicles often limit their mobility in muddy or forested terrain, making them easier targets. Onboard electronic warfare systems on some vehicles are not always effective against FPV drones operating on different frequencies or using more sophisticated control methods. The lack of situational awareness of these fast, low-flying aerial threats is another factor, as crews often focus more on ground threats. On top of that, NATO's long and complex supply chain for spare parts makes repairing damaged vehicles a slow and difficult process, leaving them vulnerable on the battlefield. So, do you think Ukraine can build an anti-Rubicon, or will they remain busy waiting for aid that never seems to arrive? Time keeps moving, and the shadow of that invisible Voldemort continues to haunt, proving that in modern warfare, innovation and adaptation are the keys to victory. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.